Holidays. I hope everybody and every trader and every family is having a wonderful dinner today. You deserve it. We're covering the futures are open light holiday. This is the NQ 100 futures. We've had a 159 point range to start the holiday. Now, as I said on the website there and the YouTube that you're looking at, is that you can make another high or test the high or make another high, and then it all fails, and then the big correction gets underway. So we're watching volume, price, political events, geopolitical. We got Middle East tensions. A lot of things can go wrong for the bulls. This is the time of year when the bulls need to understand how to take profits. Futures trading can be extremely rewarding. I can get you a futures funded trading account. If you want to start trading futures and you want to get capital to trade futures, then I will have your account funded. I will give you the entry, the exits, long and shorts. Remember, futures only go up or down. Options are very manipulative. Stock prices up or down. But this intraday trade with the right software, you can accomplish great things in life.